first legal decision you make for your startup could determine whether investors will fund you years later. And most first-time founders make this decision before they've made their first dollar. This is day 10 of my series on startup law. I'm talking about choosing a corporate structure. I've met founders in the UK who automatically register a limited company without understanding the alternatives. I've met founders in the US who create an LLC or nonprofit because it's cheaper or simpler. I've even seen founders consider public company structures incredibly early because they want to raise money from the public. But here's the problem: your company structure should follow your destination. There isn't one structure that's right for every founder. If you are building a high-growth technology company targeting the US, planning to raise institutional venture capital, and potentially becoming a unicorn, investors commonly expect a Delaware C-Corporation. If your primary purpose is charitable rather than generating profits for shareholders, a nonprofit structure may make more sense. If you are building a US business you intend to bootstrap, an LLC may be worth considering because it can offer flexibility, but your tax circumstances matter. And if you're building a UK startup and want to focus on the UK market, a UK private company limited by shares is a common structure, and if your company and investment qualify, investors may potentially benefit from schemes such as SEIS and EIS. The expensive mistakes isn't choosing an LLC or a UK LTD or a C Corp. It's choosing one without knowing where you want your company to go, because changing your structure later can mean lawyers, accountants, taxes, paperwork, and potentially complications during fundraising. Before you incorporate, ask yourself, where will I operate? How will I make money? Do I want to raise VC? Who do I eventually want investing in this company? Then choose the structure that gets you there. Don't build your company first and think about the law later. Build the legal foundation for the company you want to become. This is day 10 of my series on startup law.